Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about how to find a good volatility stocks. That means the stock which is having a good movement and which will give a good profits for your trading. Okay. So how to find out a stock what you have selected is having a good movement and you can make a profit in that. So I'll be telling you the two important things what is needed to find out this. So I'll be teaching you this trick in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end to find out this trick and how you can pick a good volatility stocks for the intraday trading. Okay. And before that, if you're new visitor to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Okay. And also, if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSC and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. If you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making constant profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also, I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me tell you about how to find out the volatility of the stocks what you have selected. So as I said you, there are two important things what will affect for this. The one thing is stock beta and the stock volume. So I'll be telling you how to find out this. Okay, so if you are using Zerodha account, just go to the stocks what you have to trade on and click on this more button what you can see, and once you click that more button you can see fundamentals. So click that. There you can see this stock beta value. Okay, so this is a stock beta value which will tell you the volatility of the stock. So as you can see, this is a BPCL what I'm showing you, and this beta is 1.30. Okay, so now let me show you the chart what it means. Okay, so if a stock is having a negative beta, that is a beta less than 0, which would indicate an inverse relation to the market, is possible but highly unlikely. That means a stock which is having a negative, that is minus of the beta, you'll have an inverse relation with the market. So I didn't find any negative beta in our NSE stocks. Okay, so now let me tell you the next one, a beta of 0. So the stock which will have a beta of 0, basically cash as a beta of 0, regardless of which way the market moves, the value of cash remains unchanged. That means however the market will move, the stock value will be the same if the beta is 0. Even in our Nifty 50, I didn't find any stocks which are having a beta of 0, but here comes beta between 0 and 1. The companies with volatility is lower than the market have a beta of less than 1 but more than 0. That means the stocks which you find the beta value having between 0 and 1 will have a lesser volatility. Okay, and our uh, nifty beta is 1. Okay, so our nifty beta will always be 1. So the stocks which are from 0 and 1 will have a lower volatility when compared to the other stocks. Okay, so beta of 1, a beta of 1 means a stock mirrors the volatility of whatever index is used. That means, let's say a stock has a beta of 1.2 or 1.3, as I shown you in the example of BPCL. So that means if our nifty moves 1%, even the stock will move 1%. If our nifty moves 2%, the stock will also move 2%. So that's the use of a beta. Okay, beta greater than 1, this denotes a volatility that is greater than the broad based index. Okay, so beta greater than 1 will have a very good volatility, so that's what it means. Okay, so now let me show you the stocks which are having good volatility. So as you can see, BPCL is having beta of 1.3, so that means the stock is good. Okay, so this is how you can find it. Okay, so here you can see the chart of BPCL, how the movement is every day. And let's go to NTPC. And here, if you click on fundamentals, this beta is 0.72. As you can see, the movement will be lower in NTPC because the beta is lesser. So basically what it means that if the beta is more, you'll have a good volatility and good movement in the stocks when you're trading. And this is the UPL chart, the UPL stock, the beta is 1.37. Okay, so the more the beta value is, the more movement you can see in the stock. Okay, our nifty 50 beta is always 1. Okay, so if a stock is having more value than 1, okay, if nifty moves 1%, even the stock will move 1%. If the nifty falls 1%, the stock will fall 1%. So that will be relation to the nifty 50, and you can find a good volatility in the stocks when you find the beta is more. Okay, so this is the first factor, that is beta of the stocks. Okay, and I'll show you the other thing what is important, that is the volume. So as of now the market is not running, so if you just open the market depth, here you can see the volume of the stock when you are trading. Okay, so you should consider the volume also. If the volumes are in a higher range, then you can easily find the stock being in a good movement. And if you can't find that volume in the market depth, you can also add it in the volume chart. Okay, if you add the volume chart, you can see how the volumes are coming in the particular stock, and then you can decide how the movement will be. More the volume, the stock will perform with the good movements and it will have a more movement. If the stock is getting less volumes, then the stock will not move that much higher or lower, it will be almost stuck. Okay, so make sure to combine this both things, that is the stock beta and the stock volume. So these are the two important things which will help you to find out the good volatility of the stocks. Okay, so whenever you select the stock for your trading, just make sure you go to the fundamentals and see how the beta is. Okay, so as I shown you the beta chart, you can just see the chart again. So beta which is having 1 and above 1 will have a good movement always. Okay, so you can just select the stock. So I'll show you some of the stocks now. So I have shown you NTPC also. So the NTPC beta is 0.72, so you can avoid to trade that because the beta value is less and the movement what you find will be less. And this is TechM, so the beta is 0.75 in TechM, that is Tech Mahindra. And now let's go to Indus India Bank. So in Indus India Bank the beta is 1.93, that means the stock will have a very good movement. So let me just pull up the chart of Indus India Bank. So as you can see, so this is a chart of Indus India Bank. So this has given a very good volatility. Okay, so this is how the stock will perform if the beta is higher. Okay, so you can just check out this on your own. And whatever the stock you select, just check its beta, and you will come to know how the stock would perform. Okay, check the beta and check the volume. So this is just a little trick what I wanted to give in this video so that you guys will understand this. Okay, so make sure you check the beta and the volume of the stocks whenever you select your stocks for your trading. So guys, this is about these two important factor, that is the stock beta and the stock volume. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you watch all of these videos and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.